Good afternoon, YouTube. So, we got another piece of the puzzle here. This is a cam replacement kit from MMX. Here's the part number 132249. Now, MMX's website's a little weird because you got to kind of fish around to find everything, but I figured we'll go over what comes in this real quick. I'll figure out how to open this box. Hang on one second. Alright, the box is open. Let's see what this comes with. Head bolts. We got an MMX sticker. This is a complete gasket set. I'll go over that one more time. That's a gasket set for the whole top end. And let's see what else we got in here. We got some more head bolts. Stainless Works bottle opener. I think that ended up in here by accident. The package got nothing to do with Stainless Works. And then we got new bolts for the rocker, or rocker arms, something to do with the rockers. So this comes to $354.23 shipped. Again, this is all the gaskets you need. Right there. I'll give you a list. You can look at them real quick if you want to pause them. Enough head bolts to do both sides. And these are for the rockers, something to do with the rockers. They're bigger bolts, 1 millimeter bigger. And then we got an MMX sticker. And what's this? Brochure for a bunch of other stuff they sell. Alright, so that is the MMX cam install kit. Every gasket you need, both sets of head bolts, some bolts for your rockers, and again it costs $354.23 shipped, and it took about 3 to 4 days to get it. Alright guys, hope that helps.